The best part about the mornings after we do our sort of pre-start checks is just getting out and we've usually got dolphins or seals and sunrises and things like that, so it's a pretty picturesque part of the world to be sort of motoring out into Storm Bay in the mornings. Hi, my name's Will. I'm the skipper of the net cleaning vessel Vortex. On a daily basis I have myself and 2 other crew, and my main role is really the safe operation and management of the crew and the vessel. So the main piece of equipment is a remote controlled underwater submarine, and it's a pretty big unit. It's about the size of a small car. The controls are all done in the wheelhouse with, we've got 2 joysticks and a small screen that operates the 6 thrusters on board, so giving us directional control, and a big screen TV. The purpose of net cleaning is over the course of the week, the weed growth will gradually come up on the nets, so we're tasked with keeping that down to a low level, which ensures there's great water movement through the pens.
So one of the great things about working for Huon Aquaculture is we have a 7 on, 7 off roster. That means 7 days on, where you're home every night, and then 7 days off to spend as you like. My name is Shay Cameron and I'm the Net Cleaning and Remote Systems Manager at Huon Aquaculture. Our net cleaning remote systems operators have thousands of hours of experience, but they all started with us with no experience or little to no experience. If you join the net cleaning team at Huon Aquaculture, you are able to obtain all this experience flying these cutting edge machines in a variety of conditions.